You might wonder why SpaceX seems to be launching rockets almost every week. It's not just about sending satellites into orbit or resupplying the International Space Station. There's a much bigger picture here, and it's reshaping how we think about space travel. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is on a mission to make space accessible to everyone. This isn't just a dream, it's a well-structured plan that involves a lot of rocket launches. But why so many? The answer lies in their ambitious goals, like creating a sustainable human presence on Mars and revolutionizing global internet access through the Starlink project. Let's start with Starlink. SpaceX aims to provide high-speed internet across the globe, especially in remote areas. To achieve this, they need a massive constellation of satellites in low Earth orbit. This requires frequent launches to deploy thousands of satellites, creating a network that can beam internet to every corner of the planet. As of now, SpaceX has launched over 4,000 Starlink satellites, and they're not stopping anytime soon. But it's not just about internet access. Each launch is an opportunity for SpaceX to refine their technology, making rockets more reusable and efficient. The Falcon 9, for instance, is a workhorse that has been launched and landed multiple times, significantly reducing the cost of space travel. This reusability is a game changer, allowing SpaceX to launch more frequently without the high costs traditionally associated with rocket launches. Moreover, SpaceX's frequent launches serve another purpose: testing and perfecting their Starship vehicle. Starship is the key to Musk's vision of colonizing Mars. It's designed to carry large numbers of people and cargo across vast distances in space. Each test flight brings them closer to making interplanetary travel a reality. In fact, the latest tests have shown promising results, with successful landings and launches becoming more common. But there's more to it. SpaceX is also supporting a diverse range of missions for other organizations. They launch satellites for commercial companies, scientific research payloads, and even national defense missions. This not only brings in revenue, but also strengthens their position as a leader in the aerospace industry. Now, here's a fascinating fact. SpaceX's rapid launch cadence has a lot to do with their innovative approach to rocket production. They've streamlined their manufacturing processes, allowing them to build rockets faster than ever before. This efficiency is part of what makes them so successful. And let's not forget the environmental aspect. SpaceX is working on making their rocket launches more sustainable. They're experimenting with new fuels and technologies to reduce their carbon footprint. It's a crucial step as humanity looks to expand its presence beyond Earth without harming our home planet. So, why does SpaceX launch so many rockets? It's a combination of pushing technological boundaries, achieving ambitious goals like Mars colonization and global internet coverage, and maintaining a robust business model through diverse missions. Each launch is a step towards a future where space travel is as common as air travel is today.